Alright guys, so you guys already seen the throttle body install. Believe it or not, I still have like a very bad high idle issue. Kind of seems that like the main throttle is kind of like sticking, but I don't really know like how to free it up or anything. So it's just kind of weird. I'm thinking of just getting like a return spring, like a an AutoZone parts special or a junkyard spring off of like an old carbureted vehicle, just to pull the throttle back, and that actually lowers it. And then after that I'm getting like a fluctuating, so I'm thinking maybe the idle or control valve could be defective too. So but yeah, and I'm still missing a hose clamp right here. This car is really not on the road, so it's gonna be a little bit incomplete. But the thing though is that this right here is pretty smashed in. You can see this big dent right here. It's cracked right there, and everything is just pushed down. It's kind of like bowed down like that. So since this is a problem and I cannot really access the engine bay without fiddling with the hood over and over and over, and I actually have this chain to lock the hood, because where I'm from they like to steal batteries. I mean, this is a chain to lock the hood. Yeah, so I can't really access the engine bay without fiddling with this latch and just messing around with it and pulling that broken cable and everything. So I'm just gonna end up fixing this, because it's gonna make everything a lot easier to access this. So first thing I'm gonna do is take out the bumper lights, the signals, and then I'm going to remove the bumper cover. Pretty sure there's some fasteners right here, maybe 210s underneath, and we have these Phillips right here, and then we have another one right here. Pretty sure another one on the same side. But yeah, so let me just pull this off quick and replace this piece right here. Probably got to pull off the fender too, because I gotta route the cable inside there. Unless I route the cable going through here, that's actually a better option, but I don't know, we'll see. So that just relieves some tension right there. I'm just gonna get the other ones and then get these behind here and then take off the bumper. So next one, I already got those 10s right here, and I already got these Phillips right there. I got the one at the corner with the broken tab. I believe there's gonna be a 10 or 12 under here holding the bumper on right there, and maybe some underneath, but I really doubt they put this thing back as good as it was. So yeah, there's already a lot of missing fasteners already, so I'm pretty sure those aren't in there. So I'm gonna get these, if those are even there. Alright guys, so the bumper just literally fell right off. There were no fasteners behind here. I guess that's just how it is. Usually there's a 10 right there. Cool, I actually have a horn. Gotta wire that up and get it going. But I don't know, this thing doesn't really look too badly damaged. I was expecting to see a lot of carnage right here, but because they usually get hit right here, but it's not really that bad. So I'm gonna take this 10 off, and this piece should pop right off. So you can see how that this got punched too, because you can see how concave that is. You got hit right here. That is kind of crazy. So who knows if this condenser even works. I don't even know. Probably doesn't even hold pressure anymore. I should really delete all this right now, but I want to really get the car running good. But I need to replace this piece, this one right here. So yeah, so I'm gonna take off this fender and go from there. So The new part looks good with the old part. It's exactly the same. And I honestly didn't even know that the bottom of the fender just came off like that. And there's really no bottom of the fender. That's weird. Sorry for the low light, but yeah, I'm not a CRX guy, so that's kind of weird. This is all pretty new to me. That's pretty interesting. I like this. So now I just gotta find some bolts or whatever in here. And I know the one in back of here is missing, so. Alright, so this is where things get real ugly, but it's gotta get ugly before it gets nice. So all this stuff was put back just so badly. Looks like that's bent, this is bent, everything's just bent forward right here. And here's a nice little rock. I guess the little souvenir. Oh, I can't even get this rock out. Oh yeah, I don't even know why that's in there, but I guess I was included in the purchase. So yeah, so it looks pretty bad. And you could definitely see, well, not on camera, but that camber kit. Next up, I'm just gonna replace this cable, try and get this out without breaking it, and if I do break them, just gonna zip tie it in there. Alright guys, so I had to take out the headlight too, because as you could see, it's right here, and there's a clip right here. Then you take it out, go on one side, go on the other, and it pulls right out. There's another one right here. Let me take that one off, and this one's ready to go. I'm gonna pass the cable through here. The cable's gonna come right along, come back here, go down, and then it's gonna go right into here, or it's gonna go inside there. The reason why I want it inside here, because if it's mounted here, somebody could easily reach up, go and pop the hood. That's why I have a chain, but for people who don't have chains, you could just run it along here or in the inside here, but in here is a lot much cleaner. So now I'm gonna mount it up there, put the clips here, and run it through here. So it fit perfectly in there. So now I'm just gonna run this and put this straight through there and snake it all the way back. Alright, there it is right there. Hopefully it's long enough though. And there it comes out right there. Perfect. Alright guys, so there it is right there. Have the fasteners in. Pretty solid, looks good. Sitting nice and proud. Clip right here, going in there. Out, back in. Gonna put that grommet back in there. I had to like splice it, but I'll doctor that up pretty nice. Latched, locked. A little rough, but it works perfect. Now I could get inside and work on the engine. Alright guys, so if you liked this video, you want to see more like it, like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay tuned guys.